آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, all the praises and thanks to be to Allah, the Lord of the mankind, the most gracious, the most merciful, the only owner and the only ruling judge of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help for each and everything. Guide us to the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, not the way of those who earned your anger, nor of those who went astray.
This is your moment to ask all the questions you ever had. So no question held back, and we will have a good conversation, and we are all here to learn together.
والقدر خيره وشره من الله والبعث بعد الموت لا إله إلا الله آمنت بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله واليوم الآخر والقدر خيره.
All right, so the very first thing that I would like to define is that we have to expand the definition of violence and terrorism. It should not be restricted to only some misguided Muslims are doing. I would say that the 406,000 people who died of gun violence in this country in the last 15 years, every single one of them is an act of terrorism. Yes.
It's a really great experience to be able to learn about another culture and religion, because I personally have some Muslim friends, but I don't know very much about like the specifics of what they believe and why they believe it. So it's really great to like get that kind of like insider perspective on like just how they view the world and their beliefs.
First of all, I want to say I think it's a great thing that you guys are doing this for our community with our neighborhood, because we live in the neighborhood close by. I have one friend that is a member here, and I really didn't even know that he was, and I saw him today. But I think that you had the gentleman come from Chicago to speak. There's a lot of truth in his words, and I appreciate that truth.
لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول